Hello everyone, we are discussing lines and angles. So in that first exercise we are going to do. So after watching 6 videos, we are going to do the first exercise. Yes, so I discussed, if you are not watched the previous videos, okay, so you can watch them first. So then you can go to the simplify the sums. If you watch those videos, you will feel these lines and angles very easy. Okay, so please subscribe the channel, like the video. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Okay, so your support is I need much and much. Okay, so that I am requesting you to, so please subscribe the channel. So go for exercise 6.1, that is in the given figure, in the figure 6.13, lines AB and CD are intersect at O. AB and CD are intersecting at O. If angle AOC plus BOE, AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degrees and BOD equal to 40 degrees, BOD equal to, angle BOD equal to 40 degrees, then find angle BOE. We need to find BOE and reflex of COE we need to find. Okay, so first, so from the figure, from the given figure, we can write solution that angle BOD equal to, from the figure, can write, from the given figure, we can write angle BOD equal to, angle BOD equal to, which are the two vertically opposite angles? BOD equal to, can you write AOC? Yes, BOD equal to angle AOC, because those are measures vertically opposite angles. What is the reason? Those are vertically opposite angles. So if angle BOD equal to how many degrees? 40 degrees. Then angle AOC equal to, we can write 40 degrees. Yes, angle AOC equal to how much? 40 degrees we obtained. So with this, how we are going to find BOE? So they given in the question AOC plus BOE equal to 70. AOC plus BOE equals 70. AOC we know 40. Yes, so from the given equation, that AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degrees. Okay, so you can write in the bracket they are given to us. Okay, next BOC, how much we obtained? 40 degrees plus BOE equal to 70 degrees. Okay, so this you can transpose right side. Then angle BOE equal to 70 minus 40 degrees, that is equal to angle BOE, we can write 70 minus 40, 30 degrees. Yes, so angle BOE we finished. Okay, so next, from the given diagram, can we write angle AOC plus COE and BOE equal to 180, right? 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle plus this angle. So sum of these three angles equal to, we can write 180 degrees now, because those are measure straight angle. Yes, so we can write, that is from the figure, angle AOC plus COE plus BOE equal to 180 degrees, because those measures straight angle. What is the reason? Straight angle. Okay, you know that is angle AOC plus angle BOE. Sum of these two angles is 70. Yes, so 70 degrees plus, otherwise you can write, so AOC is 40 degrees, BOE is 30 degrees. 40 plus 30, again 70 only will come. Yes, we can write, they given AOC plus BOE equal to 70. So these two equal to 70 I written. So COE is how much? We don't know, we need to find that. COE equal to 180 degrees. Then angle COE equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. 180 degrees minus 70, 110 degrees. That is angle COE equal to 110 degrees. Then reflex of angle COE equal to, that is total complete angle is measures, this total angle measures 360 degrees. Okay, if this angle is 110 degrees, reflex of this angle is this angle only. Yes, okay, reflex of this angle is this total angle only. Now this angle only will come. Yes, that how can we write? That is reflex of COE is equal to complete angle minus this COE, that is 360 minus 110 degrees. If you do means we will get the answer. That is 360 degrees, complete angle measures 360 degrees minus angle, reflex angle 360 minus angle COE, which is equal to, COE is how much? 110 degrees. 360 minus 110 degrees, which is equal to 250 degrees. Is 250 is the reflex angle or not? Yes. So this is the reflex of angle COE. Okay. So we obtain. So reflex of angle C is how much? 250 degrees, and angles we need to find angle BOE is how much? 30 degrees. Yes. So these two are we finished. Okay. Next, second question. In the figure 6.14, they given the figure. Lines XY and MN intersect at O. XY and MN intersect at O, and if POY equal to 90 degrees. If POY, this angle is given 90 degrees, then find A is to B equal to 2:3. And one more clue. A and B, these two angles are A, B. So those ratios is given. A is to B equal to 2:3. Then find angle C value. Okay. Let us see from the given figure. So first you can assume that let the angles A comma B are, let the angles A comma B are 2x degrees comma 3x degrees. You can consider 2x, ratio of 2x is to 3x, 2:3 only we will get. Yes, we can assume the given as. So let the angles A comma B are 2x comma 3x, we can assume. Yes. Next, from the figure can we write, from the figure we can write, that is angle B plus, that is if you want to write like this, XOY XOM, angle XOM plus PMOP, angle MOP plus angle POY equal to 180 degrees, because those are measures straight angle. This angle plus this angle plus these three angles equal to 180 degrees. Yes, because those are measures straight angles. Those are measures what? Straight angle. Okay. So straight angle measures how many degrees? 180 degrees. So XOM is B, MOP is A plus POY is 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Yes. B is how much? What we assumed? 3x degrees, and A is 2x degrees, and this 90 you can transpose right side, it becomes 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. 3x plus 2x, 5x equal to 90 degrees. Then x is equal to 90 degrees by 5. X equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees by 5. 5 ones are 5, 18s are. So x is equal to how much? 18 degrees. Then B equal to how much? B equal to 3 into x, which is equal to 3 into 18 degrees. That is nothing but a 56 degrees. Next, A equal to 54 degrees, and A equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 18 degrees, which is equal to 36 degrees. Yes, so we need to find, what we need to find C. Where is angle C? C here. Okay, so from the diagram, can we write B plus C equal to 180 degree? This is the MN is a straight line, yes. So this angle plus this angle equal to measures, these two angles measure straight angle, yes. So angle B from the figure we can write B plus C equal to 180 degrees because those are measures straight angles. Those are measures straight angles. So now B is how much we obtained? 54 degrees. Yes. So B equal to 54 degrees we obtained. C equal to 180 degrees. Then if 54 you can transpose right side. C equal to 180 degrees minus 54 degrees, which is equal to C equal to how much? 126 degrees. What is C value? 126 degrees. Okay, like this if you write, you will get 3 marks. Okay, so you can solve step by step. We can write, we can put the answer in the year also directly, but we are writing a CBSE exam. Okay, so when you are writing a term 1, term 2 exams, so we need to write in the step by. So we are descriptive questions we are writing, yes, 3 marks. If the question will come 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks, we need to write step by step. Okay, if it is a 1 mark question, we can write directly. But if you write a 3 marks, 4 marks, means if you write directly, you won't get. So we need to follow step by step. Okay, so in this video, I discussed with you first question and second question. So next remaining 2 questions I will discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.